everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some cleaning, unpacking, and organizing. This will be the last unpacking video. Thankfully, I'm going to be getting all of the rest of the boxes unpacked today. I'm also going to be making some strawberry pies later in this video, so stay tuned, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. As always, if you're new here, please be sure that you click that red subscribe button down below and the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. So the first area that I'm tidying up today is the kitchen. Just wanted to quickly get this cleaned up before I get some other things checked off of my list. And I am going to be posting the kitchen cabinet painting video very soon for you guys. It will either be the next video after this video or the video after that. So just stay tuned. I promise it is coming within the next week. It just took a little bit longer to finish up than I thought it was going to, but it is coming, so stay tuned. Thing on my list was to get the boys' room tidied up, and as you can see, they had already picked up all of their toys, which they do every single day. I just wanted to come back here and go through their clothes, put some of their clothes away that had been washed, get their floor vacuumed. And if you haven't seen the boys' bedroom makeover video that I posted a few weeks ago, be sure that you go and watch that. If you want links for anything that you see in their bedroom, all of the links will be over in that video. Next thing on my list was to put together these two dressers that we had gotten for each of our master closets to store clothes in, and I would highly recommend making a list at the beginning of every single day throughout the week. It has just helped me out so much lately with life being so crazy with this house renovation and everything, and being so busy with YouTube. I have to make a list at the beginning of every single day, and it just helps so much. Have a list of everything that you need to get done, and it's satisfying to be able to mark things off of the list as you get them done. When you get to the end of the day, it actually feels like you got something done that day, because you can go back to your list, look and see everything that you've gotten done. So back to these dressers that we got. These are from Yida Home. I think that's how you pronounce that. I'll put the link for it down below if you guys are interested in something like this. They're really great little quality dressers. They're going to be great to keep in each of our closets. We like how slim they are. They can fit back against the back wall, and they hold all of our clothes that we need them to. Since we each have our own walk-in closet, there really was no need to have dressers out in the bedroom, so we just wanted something simple and small to put into our closets to store our clothes into, and these worked out great for that. Okay, so now comes the biggest task, which is going to be unpacking all of the rest of these boxes. When we first moved to this house, we put most of the boxes into the sunroom stacked up along the wall just because we were still doing a lot of renovating in the house and I didn't want to unpack everything right away just until we got some of the renovations done. But now we've gotten to a point that I just want everything unpacked. We've gotten enough stuff done that I can just get everything unpacked into the house. And over the last couple of weeks, I have been slowly unpacking a few boxes here and there. But today was the day I was going to finish getting all of these boxes unpacked because it was just driving me crazy looking into that sunroom and seeing all of those boxes that we needed to go through. And as I was unpacking everything, I was going through some of it, just making sure that it was stuff that I wanted to bring into the new house. After moving twice in the last couple of months and just all of the decluttering and the selling and the packing and the unpacking that I've gone through, I've just realized that I want to be very careful and conscious about what I buy and bring into my house, because you don't realize how much stuff you accumulate in your house until you go and pack it all up and see everything that you have. So just trying to be self-conscious of that as I'm unpacking everything. Obviously, when we packed everything up, we did some major decluttering and got rid of a ton of stuff. Those big plastic totes that you guys saw earlier that I was unpacking stuff from the boxes into, stuff that I want to keep packed up, like memory stuff from me and Jalen's childhood, just different things like that. That's what I got those big plastic tubs with the snap lids for. I also got them for things like Christmas stuff. I had Christmas stuff in a couple of random boxes and one small tub, so I just wanted a bigger tub that I could put everything into. Okay, so now I had all of the boxes officially unpacked except this one that was stuff that needed to go over into the shop. I left that one for my husband to go through. After I got all of the boxes unpacked, I swept out the sunroom. It felt so good to have the sunroom basically all empty. Eventually we want to turn that into like some type of workout room, but right now that's kind of at the bottom of the list. We got way more important other things that we're trying to renovate right now. And these sliding doors are one of them. We just recently bought a window from Lowe's that we're going to put in replacement of this sliding door. The contractor was actually supposed to come tomorrow and put in the window here where the sliding door is, but he ended up having to cancel. He'll probably come next weekend, but we will be turning that one sliding door into a window. He'll be stuccoing all the bottom and drywalling, so we'll just have a window there. One less door in the house. As you can see, this house has many doors. We are also currently working on prepping the house to start painting, so hopefully in the next week or two, whenever we get that window done and we're done with the prepping, then we can start painting the outside of the house as well. But now I'm just working on cleaning some windows and some of these sliding glass doors, because with 2 little boys and a puppy, these sliding glass doors get dirty so fast. I don't even know why I bother washing them, but as you can see, they were really dirty. They really needed washed with all of the renovating, and my husband had recently sprayed the outside of the house for like bugs and spiders, different things like that that you get in Arizona, so some of that had gotten on the glass as well that I wanted to wash off. Okay, so now it's the next day, and the first thing that I wanted to get done on this morning was to make 2 strawberry pies to put in the fridge. My parents were flying out from Pennsylvania to stay with us for a couple days, so I wanted to have strawberry pie in the fridge to go with our supper that night. This recipe is super easy, and it's the perfect summertime dessert. So on the stove, you're going to bring to a boil 1 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 cup of water, and then a packet of strawberry jello. And then I did double that recipe just so that I could make 2 strawberry pies. Then I cut up all of my fresh strawberries. I put those inside of graham cracker crust. You can use any kind of crust you want to for strawberry pie. You could make homemade crust, but just to keep it simple, I bought some pre-made graham cracker crust. Super easy, you just put those strawberries in there, and then once your gelatin mixture is cooled off, you can pour that on top, put the lid on it, put it in the fridge for a couple of hours until it's set up, and then you top it with some whipped cream, and it is so good, just the perfect summertime treat. The next thing on my list to get done that day was to wash the sheets and the comforter so that I could get them put on the guest bed. And then the next thing on my list after that was to go and vacuum all of the floors in the house, get them mopped, and the vacuum that I'm using is the Shark Uplight vacuum. I'll have a link for it down below like I usually do in my cleaning videos. And then my mop is going to be the O-Cedar spray mop. There'll be a link for that down below as well. And I have not really decorated this main living area yet. I am going to get to that hopefully soon. I've just been so busy with the renovations and painting the kitchen and everything else that we've been doing. I just haven't quite gotten to the decorating part yet, but I will hopefully soon, so stay tuned. Sorry, today's motivational video is a little bit short. It's only 15 minutes long. I'm going to try to start getting back into making the longer videos for you guys, so stay tuned. Life has just been crazy. I've been really busy. Like you saw, I did skip last week's Saturday video just so that I could take a breather for a little bit. You guys know, if you've been watching the video, life is crazy. We've been really busy with all the renovating and the moving, and I'm doing YouTube on top of that. So yeah, but I am going to try to get back into the longer videos because I do like to post those often for you guys. So just stay tuned. My posting schedule is Wednesday mornings and Saturday mornings, typically at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And you can also hit that red subscribe button and click the bell beside of it to get your post notifications. That way, if you forget which days I upload, it will just notify you every time that I post a new video. And thank you guys again so much for watching and supporting my channel. I'll see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!